Hello everybody, this is Siddhan Kumar, Associate Professor, Rogini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari. Today we are going to discuss about procedure of rate analysis and the cost of materials at source and at site of construction. The cost of materials are taken as delivered at site inclusive of the transport, local taxes and other charges. Purpose of analysis of rates: to work out the actual cost of per unit of the item, to work out the economical use of materials and process in completing the particular item, to work out the cost of extra items which are not provided in the contract bond. Be done as per the direction of the department. To revise the schedule of rates due to increase in the cost of material and labor due to charges in techniques. So rate analysis for all building work. Cement, concrete. Some total quantity of determining the quantity of materials 10 cubic meter of concrete in divide 15.2 by the sum of the total numbers of the proportion of the materials, which gives the quantity of cement in cubic meter. To find the materials for 10 cubic meter of cement of 1:4:8 proportion, cement 15.2 divided by 1 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 15.2 divided by 13, that is 1.17 cubic meter, say 1.15 cubic meter. Therefore, sand 1.15 into 4, that means 4.60 cubic meter. That means the ballast 1.15 into 8, 9.20 cubic meter. And the materials required for different proportion of cement concrete 10 cubic meter. That means quantity of materials may be calculated by 15.2 as sum total and dividing by sum of the proportions. The proportions 1:1.5:3. Then ballast means aggregate, coarse aggregate required 8.40 cubic meter, sand required 4.20 cubic meter, and cement requirement is 2.80 cubic meter. 84 bags for 1 m cube concrete. 1:2:4. That means 8.80 cubic meter of coarse aggregate and 4.40 cubic meter of fine aggregate and 2.20 cubic meter of cement. And 1:3:6. 9 cubic meter of coarse aggregate and 4.5 cubic meter of fine aggregate and 1.5 cubic meter of coarse cement. And 1:4:8. That means 9.20 cubic meter of coarse aggregates and sand, 4.60 cubic meter of sand and 1.15 cubic meter of cement. And 1:5:10. 9.50 cubic meter of coarse aggregate and 4.75 cubic meter of sand and 0.95 cubic meter of cement. And 1:6:12. 9.60 cubic meter of sand and 4.80 cubic meter of sand and 0.80 cubic meter of cement. This is the requirement of 10 meter cube concrete. For the above ratio, according to the ratio, the materials requirement, okay, for 10 m cube concrete. Cement concrete 1:5:10 in foundation or floor with brick ballast 40 mm. Thickness of gauge unit 1 cubic meter. Take 10 cubic meter. Materials requirement: brick ballast first class 40 mm gauge 650 per cubic meter. Sand 700 per cubic meter. Cement 7,000, then 7,650 per cubic meter. Labor requirement: mystery head mason 1.5 numbers 350 per day. Mason 1.50 numbers 300 per day. Mazdoor 12 numbers, 22, 220 per day. Boy or woman coolie, 18 numbers, 200 per day. Vishti, 4 numbers, 200 per day. Sunrise, lump sum, 120 per LS. So this is a solution for calculating 10 m cube of plain cement concrete, 1 is to 5, 5 is to 10. And we have to calculate the amount totally. We will spend 27,375.75. That means 27,375 rupees for 10 meter cube. For 1 meter cube, 2,737 rupees for 1 meter cube of concrete. So this is the rate analysis. Thank you.